Hello and welcome to my podcast series, where I bring my written articles to you in audio form. This is a recording of my article, Creativity Isn't Dying, It's Adapting, What Many Creatives Get Wrong About AI. Let's be honest, many creatives are still hesitant about AI. They worry about the plagiarism, sameness, loss of originality, and losing their personal voice. But beneath those concerns is something deeper, a fear of change. And I get it. Change is uncomfortable, especially when it seems like it's coming for the very thing you're proud of, your craft. But here's the truth. AI won't replace your creativity. It'll amplify it, if you're willing to lead. This isn't the death of creativity. It's a working shift. When I built a content design workflow for a small Pilates studio, I wasn't cutting corners. I was making space. Space for faster ideation, space for style development, space for better writing in less time. I combined Midjourney to create a consistent visual language, custom styles, redefined color palettes, unique poses. I used ChatGPT and a custom GPT trained to write social media posts in my client's voice, uplifting, motivational, and always on brand. And then I used Photoshop and automation tools to refine and deliver assets efficiently. And the result? What used to take hours can now be done in minutes, without sacrificing quality or creativity. But isn't that just pushing buttons? No, and this is the biggest misunderstanding. AI doesn't make creativity effortless. It makes it faster, only after you've put in the work. You still have to build a style bank, visual or written, train your AI tools with examples and clear instructions, refine, edit, and direct each output with intention. Whether you're designing brand assets or writing copy, you're still the creative lead. The AI is your studio assistant, not your replacement. Speed isn't the enemy, it's the gift. There's joy in iteration when it doesn't take 4 hours per concept. There's clarity when you can test ideas visually fast. There's freedom in seeing 5 headline options instead of getting stuck on one. This is what AI unlocks. More play, more momentum, more opportunities to surprise yourself, and that in itself is creative. The real risk is inaction. The biggest threat isn't that AI will replace you, it's that you'll opt out of learning how to use it, while others embrace it and move forward faster. If you're still on the fence, consider this. AI is now part of the creative landscape. It's not going away. The sooner you start integrating it into your process, the sooner you'll find what works for you. Want to see how this looks in practice? In my latest YouTube video, I walk through a full creative workflow, start to finish, showing how to develop a unique design style with Midjourney, refine and brand visuals using Photoshop, generate captions and image text in your voice with ChatGPT, automate posting, and simplify delivery. The link to the video is in the comment section. If you're curious about how AI could fit into your creative work, contact me. I help businesses unlock real value with AI, from workflow automation to smarter decision making. Whether you're exploring how AI fits into your business or workflows, I've got you covered. Contact me to set up an intro call. Thanks for listening. I'm Gur.